This 2024 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29NM is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 37 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, awning, slide-out, air conditioning. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.